Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Coder. Today we are discussing about the basic Java programming. Before that, you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. If you like this video, click thumb button and share. The upcoming video, basic Android application using Android Studio. Before that, I try to tell the basic format about Java. Okay, today we are discussing about 4 topics. First one, introduction to Java. Second, first Java program. Third, variables. And fourth, getting user inputs. Java is a high-level modern programming language designed in early 1990s by Sun Microsystem. Currently, it owned by Oracle. Why Java? Java is a platform independent, which means that you only need to write the program once to able to run it on a number of different platforms. And second one, Java is a portable. Third, robust. Fourth one, dynamic. And fifth one, high secured. Let's go to the Java program. How to write a Java program? First one, class name, my class, class, my class, indicated by public static void main string args system dot out dot print ln. Hello world. Close the menu. In Java, every line of code is actually run need to able inside a class. Here, the class name is my class, and to run our program, the main method must be identity to use signature. Public static void main. Here, public is anyone to access it. Public is the access modifier. Second one, static, which means that method can be run without create an instance of the class contain the main method. Next one, void. The void method does not have return type. In this program, in this method, we are not using any return type, so that we can use the void return type. Next one, main, the name of the method. In the next section, next is the body of the main method enclosed in curly braces. The println is used in the system dot println is the println is the line of this text to screen, and system is the class, and it is outstream are used to access the print method. Okay, we can run the program, use the command, use the Java. Sorry, we are not saving this program now. Just save this file in the locally name. Give the name of the class name my class. Okay, save. Go to the command java c my class dot java. Okay, here not any errors in this, just what is the Java my class. Okay, here the output hello world is the Okay, in third section, the variable. In Java, different type of data variables using. First one, int. Int is the used as the integer variable, and double is the double for floating point or real numbers, and string is just text. It's a number of the characters, and char is used in character to store the character, and boolean at a variable is used as the true or false, the boolable variables. Okay, we getting the user input from the, just you go to your command. What is that? Trailer, sorry, command content. Okay, we use the method name, everything. Import java dot util dot scanner. Class, sorry, small letter, class my public static void main string args gs scanner my var equal to new scanner system dot in close the bracket and semicolon system dot out dot println my var dot next line the close braces. Okay, save the program. Okay, sorry, we are using the main class. Okay, save as. Go to the button Java C my class name dot Java. This command used to compile the Java program. Compile this program. Okay, here not any errors, so that is show nothing. Okay, next to run the Java program using Java was my class. Okay, we insert any number 45. Okay, is on display the 45 number. This is the basic program. Here we can use the scanner is object is most common and perhaps the easiest to implement. Import the scanner class into the scanner object. Here the import command use the import the scanner object. Here define the import scanner, and in order to use this scanner class, create an instance of this class by using the following syntax: scanner variable name new scanner system.in. You can now read the different kind of input data that the user enters. Here the some are the more methods are available through the scanner class. For example, next byte, Okay, next byte is the read the byte values, and next short. So a net short is used to read a short values, and next integer is the read the integer value, and next float, next double, next boolean is using. In next only use the only next to this the represent to read a word. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.